Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're doing another mid-fade self haircut tutorial. This is going to be the before, and I will show you guys here the after, what it looks like. Not too bad, not too bad. Here we go. So starting off again with the 0, I'm going up as high as you guys can see there, just above the ear line. Now this is what it's going to look like all the way around after I was done with the number 1 closed, no guard, 0. I am using the Sally's handheld mirror, as you guys can see there. That's what I use when I'm cutting behind my head. Here, right there, I'm going with the number 2. What I'm doing here, number 2 open, I'm going up, removing that bulk that I have. I have a lot of bulk here. So by removing this, I'm just basically making it easier on myself so I can run the other guards. Again, the number 2 open. And I am using the Wahl Color Pro cordless. Make sure you have a full charge on your Color Pros when you're doing your haircuts, guys. Now I made this video just to show you guys to clean up your machine as you're going with the guards, so you'll get a nice little clean cut. Here is what it's going to look like with the number 2 open. As you guys can see there, there's that line. I basically removed a lot of the bulk that was on my head. I went all the way around and on the sides. You guys can see right there is the line that I made with the 2 open. Next up, I went up with 0 open, and I went up just a little bit above that first line that I made on the bottom. Again, all the way around on the side and the back. Alright, here I'm going up with the 1 open and just going up around where that 0 open was. I'm going now with the number 1 guard open. Making sure you guys don't go up too high, guys. Just watch yourself. Watch what you're doing. You might want to stop a little bit and then check in the mirror, see what you did. I did make this little clip here to show you guys to make sure I'm spraying the Andes Cool Care on the machine after a couple of passes. Make sure it's cool and clean. That's what it's going to look like after that 1 all the way around. Now, disclaimer, I do gotta say I definitely gotta work more on that backside. I gotta go up higher next time. I definitely gotta give it a little more up on the back. I feel like I'm leaving the back just a little bit too low. Too much hair in the back. But here I went up, I believe this is number 2 guard open, and just go up higher from the previous number 1. Here I flip the camera to show you guys. Instead of that camera, I use a mirror, but I'm just showing you guys here what I do to get to the back of my head. With the mirror, handheld mirror, you can get to the back with the mirror. But here I got the camera. I got the number 2 open going, removing more of that bulk in the back. Alright, this is what it's going to look like after that 2. There's the other side. Definitely got next time I definitely gotta try to go back and remove more of that bottom piece. I feel like we're going too low. But here real quick, I did show you guys these guards because I did use them, but I didn't really show too much of the steps. But I did use that the half guard. I went up just a little bit to fade it out, and the 1 1/2, and a little bit where that previous one was at. And I think it faded it out really nice on the sides. I definitely need more practice on the back, as you guys can tell. But this is a self-learning channel, guys. Self haircutting with the mid fade. So follow along if you guys want to see the progress. Here I am just combing out the hair to see how long I want it. It's really just your preference. Here I kind of just parted the hair from the front to the back to try to see all those long hairs that I had, and I went on with the scissors and I cut it from the front and the back. I'm showing here the front, but I also went on the back and just kind of took out the hairs that had to get taken out. I did not show the, what do you call those scissors? I lost my train of thought right now. The thinning shears. I did use some of that on the side and on the back. I just didn't show it on the video. But use those 2 scissors and just really work your hair to kind of envision yourself how your hair is you're gonna comb your hair and how long you want it from where the sides, the top, the back, and the front, and just cut it as you like. Here's what it looks like exactly as I finish the haircut. And I also gave myself the lineup, I just didn't show it on the video. After this, I jumped in the shower, and this is what it's going to look like with no gel after the shower. Here is, I believe I put some gel or maybe just some water as I was going to bed. So that's what it's going to look like. Not too bad for I believe this is the 7th time cutting my own hair. Definitely got to remove some more bulk next time in the back. Like, comment, subscribe, guys, so I can keep making these videos for you guys, so we can all keep on learning. And I appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next time. Peace. Thank you.